Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are pickling some cucumbers. This is one way of adding values to your cucumber if you're a farmer or simply want to make extra cash. We are towards the end of the summer gardening season, and if you have extra cucumbers or want to preserve them to last you for a very long time or sell them, then the best way to preserve those is by pickling. So today we are going to do a simple sweet and spicy pickled cucumber. Here is what we have. We have 2 cups of distilled white vinegar, which we're going to pour into the pot. We have 3/4 cup of water, 3 tablespoons of kosher salt, and this is 1/2 cup of agave. You can use regular sugar, and then the rest of the ingredients are about 5 cloves of garlic. We have 2 habanero peppers. These are green from the garden, and I have small red jalapeno. So I'm just going to cut this open just to release some of that flavor. The peppers are optional. I'm going to put them there. Be careful, these are hot, but they give a good contrast. And then we have some dill from the garden. These are fresh dill. You can also use dry dill or the flowers. Now we are just going to stir this together and put it on a stove top till the salt is completely melted. You can also add some peppercorn into the brine mixture, but it's up to you. I already have fresh peppers in there. I don't need extra pepper. So you can add anything that you want in making your pickles. You can let your imagination run wild in all this. So now that leaves us with the fresh ingredients. So what we're going to do is we're going to add the dill. Then I'm going to smash some of these garlic just to release some of that flavor. I'm just gonna add half, and then we begin to put the cucumber. These are burpless cucumbers, and they are too big to insert whole. So I'm just going to try and slice them. And then you wanna pack them close as possible. You can insert them whole too, if you prefer. Don't worry about the seed. And again, these are seedless. They're burpless. The seeds won't be so much of a problem once you pickle them. I'm gonna add more of the dill, stuffing it in there. And then I'm going to smash the rest of the garlic and put in. We're gonna set aside and wait for the brine to be ready. We're just gonna go check on the brine. The brine has boiled, and we're going to turn off the heat, and we're going to let it cool to room temperature before we can use it. After about 1 hour, the brine has cooled down. You can put your finger and it's not hot, literally at room temperature. Now what you want to do is to pour. I want to make sure that those peppers go in there, and then what we want to do is to pour and make sure we cover all the way. You want to cover it and leave it for a few days, at least 24 to 48 hours before you can try it. Or you can turn it upside down, leave it in the refrigerator for about 5 hours, and it will be ready for you to try. We'll be back in about 24 to 48 hours to show you what it looks like. It's been 2 days, 48 hours, and our pickle is ready. We can try it and see how great it tastes. After prepping it, like we say, you can just turn it upside down like this and leave it on the counter. And you can actually eat it after about 2 to 5 hours. But look at that. This is beautiful. My goodness. Now we are going to do a taste test. I mean, look. The liquid is amazing. It smells delicious. Oh my God. And let's take a look. That's a big one. My goodness. You just want to hear the crunch in this. This is so good. My goodness. The taste is amazing. The habanero, the jalapeno, a little bit of that heat, but nothing overwhelming. The dill and the sweetness of the agave. Oh my God, this is so good. I can literally sit, eat the whole thing. My goodness. Tell you, you should try this. Believe me, once you try this, you would definitely not buy store-bought. This is so good. I can stay here and finish this. Amazing. The flavor, the smell, the taste is unbelievable. Incomparable to anything you have ever tried before. I would like for you to try this at home and let me know what you think. Trust me, you would agree with me. I promise you, it is great. and you would give it a great thumbs up. And guess what? You could actually make this and share with your neighbors, or if you're a farmer, you still make your own and start selling at the local farmers market. At least this will stay in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, and if you wanted to freeze it, you can put it in the freezer and it will last for a few months. Anyhow, if this video has been of value to you, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button. This is Dr. Okeke. Thank you and God bless.